Hello financial enthusiasts, and welcome back to Night Fury Digital Finance. Today, we're diving into the top 5 ways to make money with crypto in 2025. Buckle up, because we're exploring some exciting and innovative ways to boost your income with cryptocurrencies. Whether you're a seasoned crypto investor or just curious about the possibilities, this video is packed with value-adding information. Before we get started, a quick disclaimer. This video is for informational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. If you enjoy content like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your thoughts or questions. Let's jump right in. First up, we have crypto staking. Think of it as putting your money to work while you sleep. Staking involves holding a cryptocurrency in a wallet to support the operations of a blockchain network. In return, you earn rewards. It's like earning interest on a savings account, but potentially much higher. For example, staking Ethereum 2.0 or Cardano can yield impressive returns. The more you stake, the more you earn. It's a fantastic way to generate passive income, especially if you're in it for the long haul. And the best part, you don't need to be a tech wizard to get started. Many platforms like Coinbase and Binance make staking as easy as pie. Next, let's dive into the world of DeFi or Decentralized finance. DeFi is like the Wild West of crypto, full of high-risk, high-reward opportunities. It uses smart contracts to offer financial services without traditional banks. Imagine earning interest on your crypto holdings or lending your crypto to others for a fee, all without the middleman. Platforms like Aave and Compound let you lend and borrow crypto with ease. Yield farming, another DeFi gem, involves providing liquidity to earn rewards. Uniswap and SushiSwap are popular platforms where you can stake your crypto and earn juicy returns. It's like having your cake and eating it too. Just make sure to manage those risks. Now, let's talk about the craze that's taking the digital world by storm: NFTs or non-fungible tokens. NFTs are unique digital assets that represent ownership of a specific item or piece of content, often art, music, or collectibles. They're like the trading cards of the future, but with blockchain verification. Platforms like OpenSea and Rarible are marketplaces where you can buy, sell, and trade NFTs. The key to making money here is finding undervalued NFTs and flipping them for a profit. Some people have made fortunes doing this, and while it's not guaranteed, the potential is enormous. Plus, it's a lot of fun exploring digital art and new creations. Fourth on our list is play-to-earn blockchain games. Remember when your parents told you playing video games was a waste of time? Well, now you can prove them wrong. Play-to-earn games reward players with cryptocurrency and NFTs for their in-game activities. Games like Axie Infinity and Decentraland let you earn real money while having fun. You can trade your earnings on crypto exchanges or reinvest them in the game to earn even more. It's a revolutionary way to combine entertainment with income generation. Who knew gaming could be so profitable? Last but not least, we have crypto lending. This is like being your own bank. You lend your crypto to others and earn interest on it. It's a great way to put your idle assets to work. Platforms like BlockFi and Celsius make it easy to lend your crypto and earn competitive interest rates. The beauty of crypto lending is that it offers steady, predictable returns, unlike the volatile nature of trading. It's a fantastic way to grow your crypto portfolio passively, with interest rates often much higher than traditional savings accounts. So, there you have it, the top 5 ways to make money with crypto in 2025. From staking and DeFi to NFTs, gaming, and lending, there's no shortage of opportunities to boost your income. Remember, always do your own research and understand the risks involved. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Night Fury Digital Finance, and leave a comment with your thoughts or questions. Stay tuned for more insights into the world of digital finance. Until next time, happy investing!